Mining operations are some of the most extreme across all the industries we serve. Big, heavy, dirty, high-G machines operating 24/7 in hot, cold, dry, wet, even underwater environments. Historically, mining operations have been mostly reactive in dealing with critical machine health, in part because the harsh operating environment is just as hard on the sensor technology as it is on the machines. Our customers are changing that, starting with sensors and systems that can survive the environment, and then using remote monitoring, software, and ultimately AI to detect and proactively address the root causes of issues like poor lubrication, contamination, looseness, imbalance, and misalignment that are chronic in this industry. Mining is sometimes regarded as an old, dirty, dangerous industry, and for good reason to some extent. This is changing though, and people's perceptions really need to change with it. Mining in a reliable, sustainable way is the foundation to enable and accelerate the transformations underway in electric vehicles, batteries, solar, and more. I'm particularly excited about KCF's role in providing new solutions into these mining operations as they expand onshore and as we support new, young workers who are fueling the progress that our sustainable future depends on. The crushers in aggregate mining are a classic example of how this is done. First of all, it takes an extremely rugged and high-G sensors to even survive months and years on a crusher in a mining operation, with rocks the size of cars being smashed down to usable gravel in smaller sizes. But despite the high forces on the crusher, the sensors are still able to sense subtle yet critical information on the bearings and the motors that are driving the machine. This is just one example of how new technology is used to elevate people and proactively enable safe, continuous operations, which is a vital part of our sustainable future. What I hope people realize about the mining industry is that it really is the foundation of our sustainable future. And we already have tens of thousands of operating mines right here in North America, and it's going to grow. And so bringing these Industry 4.0 technologies to bear is going to elevate those workers quickly and enable safe, consistent operations that improves the operations and the reliability and the safety of the existing mines, but also fuels the renewable, sustainable future we all depend on.